This one simple editing effect got me 3 million views on YouTube. Here is how you make it. Start off by duplicating your clip, then rotoscope the legend Mike Tyson out. The link to learn how to rotoscope in under 60 seconds will be in the description below. I always export my mask because my PC specs aren't great. This will help you out also if you're in the same boat as me. I got the idea to do this from Dragon Ball Z, where Goku levels up. I seen Mike Tyson yelling in training, and I was like, yup, he's entered Super Saiyan mode for his upcoming boxing match with Jake Paul. So let's give him that yellow glowing aura that Goku had. Search the university. Ecto Effect. Once found, just drag it on your mask clip. And boom, just like that, you made one. Let's change the colors now.